How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. So, quick little review. What happens is that I get some wire. Somebody throws some wire where I work, and it's a lot of wire, as you can see. I already stripped some down, but it's not easy. Hopefully, I can get 300 pounds probably, because it's heavy. It's a lot of cable. So there is no way I was gonna do it by hand. I should get an electric machine to strip wire, but I get this manual, and link is gonna be in the description for this one. This is a YESCOM manual copper wire stripping machine, and I'm just wanna do a little review on it. Like I said, I didn't have plans on doing this episode, but I get the machine. Obviously, this episode is not sponsored. This one I get it with my own money. While I was doing this, I know it's gonna take me forever with this one, but I just wanted to show you how it's done. I don't have a place to put it, so that's why it's sideways, but you can mount it. It has a bracket and bolts. You can mount it in a table so you can start working on the stripping wire if you want to get this machine. So I just put a clamp in a bin. It's not going anywhere. It's secure. That's why you see it sideways. But you can put it whatever way you want this machine. This is the blade. These rollers, you adjust the rollers up and down. This one too. The only thing that you gotta do is just put your cable. You put in your cable through, adjusting one end, and one is secure. Don't put a lot of pressure on it because you're gonna break the wire. So you just try to cut the plastic. Once you put the cable through, get some pliers, and like I said, try not to keep it too tight, and then you can just start pulling your cable. Somebody throw cable away, and actually that's like free money. I'm not gonna say no to that. And if you wanna do this copper, you can make some money selling copper. So like you see, I just cut the plastic. Sometimes I need my pliers just to try to get it out of the plastic. Once I get it there, you just start peeling all the plastic out of the copper. And believe me, it's gonna take me a little while to do all this, but look at that. And like I said, when I saw all this cable on the trash, I was not gonna let it go away. I was gonna use it. I know that. So I think the copper is selling at $2 per pound, and I have a long way to go. Guys, comment down below for what you see right now. Tell me how much you think I'm gonna get paid when I finish stripping all this wire. Okay? Comment down below how much you think I'm gonna get paid for this. But at the end, like I said before, when I get everything done and I take it to the recycle area, I don't know what it is right now, but I'm gonna find out. Once I take it over there, I'm gonna let you know how much I get paid and how many pounds this is gonna be. So that's my setup, guys, and like I said, you can make some extra money if you have wires, copper around. So guys, quick little episode. That's what I'm doing right now, just to try to make some extra money. If you have any questions about this machine, please let me know. Comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Link is gonna be in the description. You wanna get one of these. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.